It's the Mother's Day weekend, May 13th, 2023. Tyler, he's here, 9:33, coming to you from West Ladysmith with a video lined up for you. Going to have the S773 make its departure with the C6M rebuild of the 3317 to lead it. With the fouled Canadian K3L, the number 3 bell must not, well, number 1 bell must not be working. And that's Tier 4 Credit of the ES44AC 3816 running second. And I have a feeling that the 3274 will run as rear DPU for this on the S773 81. Because they were on yesterday's S772 inbound as they were on duty at Ladysmith Yard as extra 404 brought their 772 train down. So this will head up to Swan Landing, Alberta, Canada, unless I say otherwise. Sorry about that. A little shaky today. This will be a 102/0 consist, running in a 2x1 configuration. Yeah, I got a feeling this is going to actually go to Grand Prairie, Alberta, Canada, for the S773. So this will go to Grand Prairie. CN 3317 north, entering Superior Sub-Main, West Ladysmith, no restrictions. Not sure if the ATSF railfan is in town for this pass too. But I'm sure he might enjoy this moment as the S773 continues to make the upward climb up the little hill at West Ladysmith. And there's the rear DPU of the 3274, as it was DPU previously on The extra 404. As it is right now opening up the throttle. The bloom of the tree leaves begin to show up as the late spring months continue. That will do it for the S773-81. And it will do it for this video at West Ladysmith at milepost 129 along the Canadian Nationals Barren Sub Main. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time, and I'll see you down the main line. Make sure to give your mothers some love on this Mother's Day weekend, because I'm sure they'll love you too. Enjoy the rest of the Mother's Day weekend, friends. Tyler Hayes out.